Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and a lot of you have asked me to comment about what people are calling Beautygate on the new iPhone. So if you have an iPhone XS or a XS Max and you're taking a photo of yourself, maybe a selfie or a photo of other people, what it's doing apparently is smoothing people's faces out, and that's what the claim is, so I thought we'd check that out. So I have a few different phones here. I have an iPhone X, a 7 Plus, a XS Max, and an S9 Plus. And the reason I have the S9 is many people are saying the XS and the XS Max look like Galaxy S9 or Galaxy Note or any Samsung phone photo with the selfie beauty mode. So on a Samsung, you have the ability to turn that on and off. So I thought I'd show you that and we'll see how the photos compare. Now I took selfies of myself with all of these cameras, so let me go into that. So you can see these look very different. Now the iPhone X is probably the most true to life as far as the lighting in here, but on the XS Max, if I zoom in to my cheek right here, you'll see that it's very smoothed over. If I compare it to, let's say, the iPhone 7 Plus, it shows my age a little bit better. And you'll see that's more accurate on the right here as far as what it really looks like. But here it's got a smoothing effect where here you can see I probably need to shave and you can see each individual hair. It's kind of smoothed out here. So I thought that'd be a good way to show you what it looks like. Now on the phone such as the 10, we'll do the same thing. On the right is the XS Max. There's a little bit of an effect going on the left, but on the XS Max, it's much more noticeable if it's going on. And then on the Samsung does it the worst, really. Let's go into the photo here, and very similar results, but even more so. But with the Samsung phone, you have different options. So if we go home, you want to take a selfie, maybe you've got the selfie camera here, and then you have some options down here on the Samsung where you can do these different beauty modes such as glamorous, graceful, things like that. And if Apple is going to include similar things when they're doing this, you can change the intensity and it makes you look very different. You can change all of those on the Samsung, whereas you can't change it or turn it on and off on an iPhone. So I think that's where the concern is, and hopefully Apple will address this and either put an option for a beauty mode or a more natural look, because Apple has tended to normally go towards accuracy. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If they should keep this or give you a toggle for it, that's really what I would like to see. I want a more natural look, and if I want to have those smoothing modes, let me turn it on or off if I want to use it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.